Oh, shoot. New island. Or is this the same one? And we're crashing. I think this is the same one. No, it's not. It's not. Uh-oh. So we're finding missing people. Fisheye and Kelvin. Fight Devious. Oh no. Now we're going down. Oh. I'm the only one alive. Oh. No way we survived that.
Now, who invited you here?
What? I need that. Guess I'll help this guy.
Bro, ain't no way this fucking took over 14 years to make.
Hello.
This shit was ass.
Is Kelvin okay?
Calvin? No, he becomes deaf and
Oh. Oh, I have to like give him demands.
oh, yeah, you can like make him like yeah. I have an axe. I have an axe.
How?
I don't know.
Bro.
If
Have you
open
played
up your,
this?
No, I haven't. I've never played Sons of the Forest.
Oh, so we're all new to this?
It's I to open up your inventory,
Okay.
and it's like you get like an axe. Open your emergency pack.
Yay. This is, oh my god, this is huge.
Oh my, holy shit! How do we get down from here?
V-jump. Just gotta take a leap of faith.
Like the sinkhole?
Yeah. Yeah, the sinkhole. Who's that? Oh,
Is that
Kelvin.
Calvin? That's...
He's so dumb.
Well, he's not his fault. He became deaf and mute. So there's another cave down here if you want to go down there.
Mine as well.
Calvin's all the way back over there.
We just left him.
I think he teleports when we build a base. I'm not sure. I found a slingshot though.
How? Where?
Pick it up. Pick it up in this guy's dead body. Okay, guys, this cave isn't opening, so I might lag a lot. So I'm going in first.
Okay. Oh my, the bats are so loud. Connor's PC just crashes.
Oh, he didn't lag.
Are we not able to get
wait.
over?
Wait, we need you need
Oh,
to
yeah.
climb the rope. What do you need though?
Something. I don't think we have whatever we need. Alright, where to now? Is there like objectives or is it just explore?
Well, I think objective right now is to find the purple. Go to the purple things.
Oh. What is that annoying beeping?
Up here, look.
Oh. Is that who we're trying to get to?
I think so. He. Maybe like cut him down, maybe.
Oh, maybe. Oh, yeah.
Oh. Oh, hey, Huz. No, please don't run away. I want to crack you.
Bro.
I hit her. So where should she go? What's the blue thing? I mean, the orange thing.
Yeah, I don't know. We could go to it.
Sure. Guys, look, there's smoke in the distance. So go check that out.
Okay. Uh-oh, it's getting scary.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Eden, go fight them. Oh, I think they're coming. Alright, we gotta lock in our first fight.
Die. That's one down.
Yay.
Money.
What the heck? Why is there music? We should probably go to sleep somehow.
So we need sticks and a tarp. So you have to like equip the sticks and actually like place
Yeah.
them down. So watch.
There's the tarp. Eden's on fire.
Guys, you can do this in real life, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. What? Yes.
Alright, we can sleep. Yay! Day one. I don't think I can.
It's fine. I actually don't know. That's gross. Yeah, like cat. I think cat food smells worse than dog food.
You should turn on the big head mode.
There's a big head mode.
Go into gameplay and go to the very bottom.
God, it's behind you.
I died.
Oh my god. I don't have any meds. Oh, I hate heals anyways.
You should go turn on the big head mode. Why is this a thing? Let's go to the orange thing. What is it? A golf cart? Bye, guys.
What? You found a golf
Bye,
cart?
guys.
Let me in.
Hop
Why
in.
does this exist?
Eden, hop in.
I think this is me. Is he me?
Can you hop in, Eden?
I'm in.
I don't know if... Oh, Aiden's in, I think.
Bro, the big head, man.
Oh, shit. What do we do? Eden, help us.
Oh my god, it's a cannibal. There's a cannibal called Big Head. Oh, okay, I got out. Bro, our golf cart.
And we lost it just like that. Why is Eden all the way over here? Eden, why are you over here? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ow! I'm at 1 HP.
Wait, he's a weapon.
There's a cannibal climbing a tree right now.
Yeah, they usually climb trees.
Bruh.
Oh, wait, you can open the skin pouches, Gavin.
Oh.
Meds. Oh, and they have like meds and stuff in them.
Oh.
I'm taking these meds. That one was dead.
What the hell? Didn't give me any. Where should we go now?
Did we go to the cave up north? I think we did, right?
Yeah.
That was a zip. What about this way? Did we go to both these caves?
I don't know.
We'll go down to the beach, I guess. I wonder what Kelvin's doing right now. He's back in the Arctic.
He's chilling.
Is that a boat, Gavin?
Something. A flamingo. Should we swim to it?
Sure. Because I believe it's a purple thing.
I think it is. There better be meds on there.
Shit,
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm only out of stamina.
did you just go in his app?
Let's see, there's...
Oh, what's the lore of it?
I got a gun! I got a gun!
Wait, actually? Oh yeah, there's a gun.
You seagulls, bro.
Shoot him.
I'm gonna...
Eden, I'm gonna shoot you. There's a shark right there, Eden! There's a shark!
Get inside!
Eden's gonna die, bro. Be careful of that. Oh, I almost jumped right on that shark. Watch out! Ow! You're kidding. You're kidding! Oh. What? Where's my backpack? A shark better not kill me, bro.
I think Gavin's slowly making his way towards us. Gavin.
I hate sharks.
Did you get attacked by a shark?
Yeah. Uh-oh, there's scary people over here. Uh-oh.
What? That said, let's light them up.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Light them up, bro. I'm out of ammo.
Connor, I almost shot you.
Oh my god. I'm almost dead.
Oh, that's Eden, never mind. Oh, Eden
I'm almost
died.
dead.
Where's... Is it in a tree? Chop this guy down. Jesus
Wait.
Christ, Eden. Oh, is it here? We need a shovel, though.
Oh, yeah, we do.
I think it is this. This better be the best cave that I have ever seen.
This smoke.
Yummy cat food. It does not give you health, of course.
Oh my god. Those bats always fucking scare me.
Oh! Jeez, the bats!
I know the bats actually scare me, bro.
My ears. Ah, the bats.
Why is Gavin
Jesus, Eden. Uh-oh.
He just thinks it's violent. He just thinks it's violent. Oh, finger mutant. Finger mutant, finger mutant, finger mutant. Ian, shoot the fucking mutant. Yes. Light them up.
Eden died.
I forgot, the ghouls are so annoying. Why are the ghouls so overpowered? I died.
You're kidding.
Run, Gavin.
They're actually not dying.
Yes.
Eden died.
Oh, he like fully died. Can we like skin the mutant maybe? We can.
Eden left.
Oh, he did.
I guess so.
I think he rage quit.
Maybe. Wait. PvP damage. Oh! I think I found it. Okay, wait. Try hitting me. Wait. Do it again.
Oh my god.
I can't. Wait. Do it again. Oh my god. Okay. I don't think you're doing damage. Yeah, you're not. You're not. Oh no. There's more.
Are you low in health?
Yeah.
I am too.
Oh shoot. Oh!
Oh,
Did you also die?
yes. I guess you gotta respawn. Oh, ew.
Ma.
I guess we're in a cocoon.
Let's not go that way.
Yeah, I agree. I'm glad that the cannibals don't respawn.
Hmm.
Oh, MREs, MREs.
Oh, I found a rebreather.
Oh, really? Where?
We can go underwater, I think, now.
Heck yeah, finally.
I think we go down.
Me too.
Oh.
So let out the cave.
I guess
We went to
that...
other side-
I think that entire cave was just for us to get out the rebreather.
Yeah, but we haven't seen the other side of the cave yet.
Yeah,
Can we go back and check the other side of the cave?
we could. We just have to make it past those cannibals. Uh-oh.
Oh, right in the face. Right in the head. We're still alive.
What the heck? Why is it still alive? Ow.
Did you die?
I don't have any more ammo. Uh-oh. These guys are powerful. Oh no. I don't have a gun.
I'm out of ammo.
Yeah, same.
We have a spear. Maybe we can like get high on somewhere.
They ducked as soon as I threw it. Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
Haha, you can't get up here, user.
To be fueled.
Oh no. Ah!
I died.
I died too. God
Oh my
damn it.
Must just like do all this just for like nothing.
Yeah, it's gonna give us like a flashlight battery.
I think we can
Uh-oh.
tell.
Oh my
Get
god.
out of here.
Uh,
Cheers.
I hear music.
Me too. You already have a radio.
It's coming!
Oh my god.
I killed it, I killed it, I killed it.
Oh my god. Revive me. I guess I didn't regen its health. I guess it's just...
Alright, what's over here?
Oh,
Oh, not the babies, bro. I missed.
Must this be like an end game cave? Is it dead?
I don't know.
No, it's not.
There's still another
Wait,
one.
here it is.
I hate the babies, bro.
Yeah, fuck
Uh-oh,
you.
uh-oh.
Yeah. Stun gun.
Ooh.
Maybe this was worth it. Wait, what's this? Gavin?
What?
Gavin? Did you see that?
Yeah? What the hell?
What was that?
It looked like a giant slug. I think
Is that a
that's it.
bomb?
Hey, what is this way? There's a way back here.
Oh,
Wait, what is the point of this?
look at that.
Oh. Did you survive?
No, I
Oh my god.
metal. Oh, I'm like, oh.
What the heck? What is this?
Question mark, collected. Maybe I said, maybe we did that for a door?
Maybe.
Meds!
Oh. Good.
Oh my god, finally. All that for one med, was it worth it?
Yes. I think that's it for this whole cave.
Yeah, me too. Oh, well, I forgot I got. Wait, there's like a radio over here. You see the blue thing?
Oh yeah, what the heck? We were just over there. Oh, maybe that's the vehicle.
Maybe. That you crashed.
Okay, I did not see that. Oh, goddamn ravine. What a nice open
Where is it?
field. I don't know. I think it's dead. Oh,
Patience, it looks like. I'm
you will find meaning in life again. What the heck?
Cults. Sons of Stars. Ooh, lore. Wishington, because this game is called Sons of the Forest,
Whoa.
and there's a cult called Son of Stars.
Oh, here's our vehicle, I think. Oh, wait. Oh, there's a cave here. And a golf
Oh, there
cart.
is. There's a drill. Oh, my PC.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's a baby and a cannibal.
Why did I let my health regen? So you guys can...
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
With a spear in your head.
Oh. Ow, the babies do so much damage. I just used my meds and I'm already almost dead.
Ew.
Dude, why do the babies hurt so much? What?
Oh, up there.
How? What the heck? I think we probably need like climbing axe like we had before.
Or maybe it's a different cave?
I don't know. Was that it that was in here? I think that was it.
So we lost health for no reason?
Yes.
Move, Gavin. I'm stuck.
Are you? Oh, really?
Yeah, you're in my way.
Did you figure out how to make a base yet?
No. You hop in the golf cart. Are you in?
Yes.
How I drive? Oh,
I woke up.
Alright.
I won't crash it like you did.
You did.
Well, he like dropped it in a ravine. Yeah, there's like a map on here. I just don't know. Sorry, deers. Oh dear. Oh, sorry, raccoons. Oh.
Bro, we are no longer on a path. Oh, God.
We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. See? We're fine. See, we're fine. We're fine. At least I didn't crash into a ravine.
Jesus Christ.
What? I'm
Hey,
driving.
hold on. Where are we? Okay, we're actually kind of close.
Yeah, because I can see the map. It doesn't. Get in. Because of the map, it doesn't. Do you see the map now?
I do, but it doesn't show me where the TV is.
Do your mouse button. Like click your middle mouse button.
Oh. Oh, where are we going?
It seems so funny. Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh, let's... Oh. Well, that works. Are we stuck?
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, where's it going? It's glitching. It's glitching out.
Oh.
What is this?
That's another golf cart.
I got a golf cart battery. Oh, this. Another cave.
Heck yeah.
Oh. This is interesting. This isn't a cave.
Oh.
What the slug is here?
I don't say that, please. Hero universes.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there's a bow. There's bow and arrows.
Oh, we need
Can you
gas.
take?
I think I'm printing something. I'm printing arrows. Interesting. I just made arrows.
What's down here?
The light.
Oh my god, guys, we're going to heaven.
What the heck?
Oh,
What
This
the...
is where the slug was. This is where the slug was. Gavin, this is where the slug was.
That's not good. We have already made so much progress. No, we need a key card.
Fuck.
Ah, well, I think this is the final area.
Yeah, maybe I think this is. Yeah, I think this is the final. Might be night now because we just slept in it.
Maybe. It is definitely night. Oh my gosh.
Alright, let's hop in the. It's so buggy. Hey, get out of here.
Oh
Done.
no. Is this the second golf cart we got
What?
stuck?
I gotta wait.
What if I push it somehow? Wait, I think I'm pushing it. I pushed it.
They got worse.
Ugh. I'm pushing it. Keep thrusting. What is this music?
Turn on the radio in peace, bro. Wait, maybe if I hop out, maybe it'd be easier. Like, look how buggy it is.
Jesus Christ.
It's so funny. Oh, let's go. Let's see. Maybe I can drive it out of here. Maybe I can drive it out of here. Fuck. Shit.
Turn off this radio.
Why? There's a cave. There's caves near here. Let's go check them out.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's just not. Oh wait, so you can like see you can like hold E right here.
Oh,
Like bounce it off.
there we go.
You can try to drive it, I guess. There's like almost like potholes though, like lakes.
I think we might have already been to this cave. I don't know.
I think it's locked off. See?
Oh, maybe not.
Maybe there's gonna be a key card in here. We can like already beat the game.
Yes. I'm also fighting one. Ow, I died. Connor, I'm about to die.
I fucking love these guns.
Jesus.
This is
A
crucifix.
cross? What the heck?
Oh, meds. Meds.
The power of Christ compels you.
I think you can actually use that in this game. Gavin.
Ew. Haha, I can't get through, loser. What
I
if,
have an idea.
should I go?
Wait, I have an idea. Wait, I got sticky bombs. But what if you
Should I go give it a hug?
Wait, what about the cross? Ew, wait. Where's the sticky bomb?
Ew, I touched it. Oh! Oh. Well, that works. Uh-oh. How'd I miss? Oh, I hit it. Never mind.
I hit it too. How much health do these guys
Uh-oh.
have?
There's a mutant.
Oh, mutant.
I died, bro.
Just run past it, bro.
Ugh.
I didn't have any spears. Not collected.
Ah! You're kidding.
Fuck you.
Are you? I died again. Oh my god. Give me a break.
So the stun gun does like no damage. I killed him. I died, Gavin. Can't give any ammo.
I killed it.
Just keep. Yes. We're actually such a good team.
Ah, this thing sucks.
They have so much health. Maybe.
Yeah, I know.
Wait, where's the knight? Is there-
Oh, apparently, I think if you like just keep like stabbing a corpse, it'll like bring up your strength. I think.
Oh really?
That's what's happening to me. It's probably like an achievement for like grabbing all the radios or something.
Eden, I mean Gavin. Do you see that? You're like growing up.
Yeet. Haha. User.
Oh, right in the head. Oh, he doesn't see us.
I missed. Oh my god.
Is that a new one? Oh,
I don't have any more spears. It's so fast.
Gavin, I'm dying.
Ow. Jesus Christ.
Yes, they have so much health.
Ow. Oh, that's not good.
I was just unride past it. Gavin up here. Gavin up here.
Oh my god.
Maybe we can. Maybe we. I have like 5 spears. I trapped it.
I don't know where it went.
I'm still scared of that thing that's like 2 in 1.
It won't come back, hopefully. Oh my god, the bats, bro. Let's try to avoid them. Uh-oh. Never mind. Watch out.
I died, of course. I tried to like, pop some meds after this. Run for your life. Oh my god, I just spawned, bro.
God damn it. Oh my god, there's 2 on me. I died.
Oh no, it might still be here.
Yes. It's right there.
I'm running. See ya. Haha, you can't get us. Gavin. Oh my god, why did it do so much damage? Help me, it's spawn camping me.
Oh my.
Wait, I have a bomb, grenade.
That's leaving.
You know what? What plays my slingshot?
Oh, what?
Bro, where'd it come from?
Did it kill you?
Yes.
God damn, this game is too hard. Oh my god.
Grenade out. I missed.
Tuh. I tasered them. Are you kidding me? I think you blew me up.
I blew it to smithereens.
Jesus. If I see a mutant, I'm grabbing my stun gun and using it. Uh-oh.
Do you perhaps have... Oh my god, there's like 2 of them. Do you perhaps have grenades you can throw?
Wait. Shoot, it's coming. Let me see.
Because the one right there is just sitting there, so you're gonna throw a grenade at that.
I have sticky bombs.
Wait, Gavin. You might want to get him somewhere. Like right here, maybe.
Go away.
Fuck. Fuck.
Oh, I'm stuck. Nice. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh, there's another one, there's another one.
Reload your stun gun. Next year attack.
Ow! Damn you. And there goes all my meds. I hear something. Uh-oh, another one.
Oh my god.
Shoot. I missed!
Baby's behind us too, this is great.
I can't see.
Maybe we can get stuck under something.
Oh my god, why is there so many babies? Frick, watch out, watch out, watch out.
I'm stuck. I might die, bro. Gavin, get like behind something, Gavin. Get under here. Maybe it can't get us.
I'm stuck. Oh my god.
It can get us, never mind.
Ow. Die!
I'm dead.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, the spears are like a must.
This better be worth it.
It was. Rope gun.
Okay, good.
Oh, so we can use this to like ride our own zip lines. Bye, Gavin.
No! Oh my god.
Oh no, Gavin.
I need my stun gun. Oh no. Watch out. I missed.
I'm already out of ammo.
Oh, I missed again.
Yeah.
I died.
I'm almost dead, bro. There's two of them. You gotta be kidding me.
Are you dead?
No, but there's two of them, and they're both still alive. I died.
Oh. Bro, that zipline landed us right onto mutants, bro. Not even fair.
Know. Do you wanna make a campfire?
Okay.
I have a lot of meat. I don't want no waste.
I need a stick and a lighter.
Yeah, you break the stick. Fake plastic buttering. So you hold the sticks first and you snap them.
Well, how the heck do I snap them?
Hold L1 maybe or LMB. Can you give me a stick maybe? Hold E on my backpack. Give me
I think I just had it.
There we go. It's up. Please tell me you can cook food the same way. I accidentally just ate raw meat. How do you put meat on the fire?
I just held E.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Raw arms? Heck no. Put some leaves on there too.
Oh, it's burnt. And I guess that means it's good to eat.
Yeah. Mm.
Ow. And I'm dying.
Wait, if eating actually gives you health. Oh my god, that's good to know actually.
And I just lost all my health because I'm on fire. Oh my god. Holy, we went far.
Yeah, we didn't go up here, so.
Oh, is this new?
Yeah, we didn't go up here. Rifle ammo. Where
We
did
went
go?
right, I think. What? There's nothing up here.
There's ammo up here.
Oh, finally, I've gun ammo. Alright.
I don't want to go back down there, to be honest.
Oh, shoot. Nice, there's
Alright,
one. The other one's right there. I'm out.
Stun gun it, stun gun it, stun gun it.
I'm trying. I need to reload. Are you kidding me?
Oh my god, why did that so much fucking damage?
Did you die?
Yes.
Now
Oh,
we gotta
this is
go
lame.
all the way back. Okay. Let's kill this mother trucker. Oh my god. Did I get it?
I don't think so.
You killed it, you killed it.
Oh my god.
Is this just... What is this? Like a cave exit?
Yeah, cause that was maybe. I think that was this was like the first cave.
Where the heck are we?
Oh, okay, already here, fucking cannibal.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Are you dead?
Yes. Let's just turn the back the other way though.
Should we sleep?
Probably. Yeah. Is there a tent nearby?
We could just make one.
You placed on tarp? Oh yeah, you're good. For saving. There we go. And then I'm sleeping. No, it's not.
What? What? Are you kidding? I'm gonna lose my mind. Are you...
Oh
I
my
can't
God.
even... I can't get up. Spawn camping. They're still spawn camping.
Oh my god, this is actually insane, bro. Oh.
I picked up a dead body. Oh my god.
I'm gonna. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh my fuck. Should we actually sleep now?
Yeah.
Oh
Yes.
my god.
Bro. That was so bad.